I know. But it's just, but they're so good together. Riley's so good with him. He goes up there and,
Get it, Riley.
Holds it, licks his face. But yeah, it's funny. Aiden like holds it up, like, come and get it, come on. And then he comes up close and and then he takes it away.
Get it.
But no, we're all looking forward to seeing everybody. I mean, the only bad part is the traveling part, but that comes with. I think he might be recording. So maybe he's recording. Oh no, you was asking about that too, but it's because you telling us about that.
Barking. Play with them.
No, it's a tour. I'm not worried. Hey Matt, remember I sit in traffic an hour every day, 2 hours. So this is So I'll be used to it.
Get it, Riley. Get it.
Oh, that's right. And then they're going to
Aiden,
on Sunday, right?
are you playing nice?
Okay.
Aiden, are you playing nice?
Okay.
You know playing nice? And you're gonna give him his toy?
Already sounding good. I'm sure we'll talk again before we all get there. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later.